Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Buick LaCrosse hood. First, find the hood release lever, usually located on the driver's side, near the floorboard or under the dashboard. Pull this lever firmly towards you. You should hear a click as the primary latch releases. Now, proceed to the front of your vehicle. Once at the front, the hood will be slightly ajar. Carefully reach your hand into the gap under the front edge of the hood. You'll be looking for the secondary safety latch. This mechanism is designed to prevent the hood from flying open accidentally. It's usually located around the center of the hood's front edge. To release this secondary latch, you'll typically need to either push a small lever to the side or lift a tab upwards. The exact motion can vary slightly, but the goal is to disengage the safety mechanism. Once you've successfully operated it, the hood will pop up a bit further, indicating it's fully unlatched. With the hood fully unlatched, you can now lift it all the way open. Look for the prop rod, which is usually attached to the underside of the hood or near the engine bay. Carefully swing the prop rod into the designated slot or hole to securely hold the hood in its open position. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.